up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today's video, this is the PS5 and the PS4. I'm going to show you how to get the Finger Boogie. Sometimes, some of y'all will. Oh, it was so fun. I even played Fortnite, but kind of different. I know some people have got the Finger Boogie with this orange thing. So I'm about to eat. So right here. So this right here and right here. I'm gonna try to. I will pick the PS4. Like, so if you want to know, like the settings are bad, just go on our settings to connect the remote. You can do it, but I'll show you if I have a phone. This is my phone now. Whoa, that's shut up. So I played that game yesterday. I'm gonna play today. I'm gonna play tomorrow's video, and so I'm gonna start playing Fortnite. Face the screen. Face it to me. The edits are bad for me. It's way better like this. So I built faster like this. Oh my god, my hands are just getting started too late. Oh my god, it's getting tired. My hands are getting tired. So look at my building. Pro. Now I'll try the new season.
Noob.
Huh?
Nothing.
So now I'm going to try the PS5, the new season. So on like the phones and the iPad, you can now go on the new season. Only on the PS5, PS4, and the PC. Only the new season. Well, I got a new season on the phone somehow. You just have to go on the PS5, download it on your phones, and that is gonna take you to the new season. But sometimes it takes you to the old season if you don't play a lot. So if you want to do the challenges, if you want to get the free skins, you can. If you want to you need to do the challenge to get the skins, stuff like that. The new skins in Christmas. So stop. It's a movie. So huh? At the end of the video, say happy holiday. And sometime next video, and happy holiday.